Alright everyone, today we are back at a Shell station in Bradford, and that has an Odor Marksman ChoiceWash XT. We're going to be getting the ultimate soft touch wash, which is the top wash, and it was $13.99 with a diesel purchase, since we need to get diesel here. So yeah, here's the wash options here. Pause if you want to read that. So yeah, I'm going to show you how dirty the car is right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So the tires are dirty. There's rocks inside of the back tire. There's some stuff here. Roof is dirty as well here. Paint job is dirty on the side, you can see, with the windows. Right here too. Like there's dirt on the car, like a little bit with the mud. Same with the front tire. On the hood, it's dirty. We'll see if we can get all of that off. Bugs on the bumper as usual, you can see here. And on the headlight. The same here, there's some dirt in there. The windshield is also dirty due to the stuff and the box. And same for the roof too, there's some stuff. The driver's side is dirty with things here. That. Same with the back tire. The back bumper is dirty. And same here. Alright. I'm gonna close the trunk and show you how that back window is. So the back windshield is really dirty, you can see, with a lot of spots. And that too. So this car is fairly dirty. So we'll see if a Marksman ChoiceWash XT can get all that off, you can see. I'm surprised this one hasn't been replaced with a Condor yet. So yeah. Let's go ahead and do a review on this Shell in Bradford. I'm going to pause it for now till I get positioned out. So yeah. Alright, we are at the entrance, you can see here. So yeah, if I can get the code. So the code is on the bottom, and that is 39605. Alright, there. Alright, here we go into the wash, you can see here. Anyways, here we go. I'm just gonna pull up over there and by the curb and see how I washed it. Doors closing, you can see. Anyways, let's see how I washed it. Well, the dryer's then kind of dripping here. There's no side dryers in this thing. Didn't do well here for dryers. On the hood, it didn't get off this. Dryer sucked on the hood, you can see. Looks like it didn't get off that. It got off some of this, but it didn't get off all of that. Like the dryer sucked here for Mark 7 dryers. Clean for tires, you can see. Didn't get that in here. And there's a lot of water on the passenger side. Didn't get that. Not bad on the back. On the back window, it did well. Like it got all the dirt off. The dryer did right on the back. Looks like I missed that, but oh well. Dryer sucked here. It looks like there's a little bit of soap here, you can see. And then they clean the tires. Like wow. Oh yeah, the roof. Wow, they got got all of that off on the roof before that was in the car wash. Before we went in, I mean. So yeah, overall for this wash, it's not a bad car wash, that's for sure. They did a really nice job, and I'm surprised they haven't replaced this with a Bradford Condor KL2. Then there's a Canadian tire you can see with a washable brake. So I'm hoping to film that soon as well. Hopefully I can do a retake there soon. So yeah. Well, it's not a bad car wash for sure, yeah. I feel like if the Canadian tire is much better, but I need to do a retake there one day. That'll be next time when I come back to Bradford. So yeah. Overall, not a bad car wash. So yeah, let's do the overall review right now as usual. Yeah. Anyways, let's do the review. I've given wash quality a 5 out of 5. Overall, the wash did a really awesome job. It got most of the box off the car, cleaned the back window really well, and it cleaned the tires really well. So overall, I really love this wash. I give dryers a 2 out of 5. Even though the wash did a really wonderful job, I was not impressed with the dryers. The Mark 7 Vortex dryer sucked. It left a lot of water on the car. So overall, they should definitely need to improve the dryers. I've given pricing a 5 out of 5. For what you get, $13.99 is not a bad deal. It's a reasonable price for the other washes in the area. And you get a lot of things for the top wash. So overall, $13.99 is worth the price. I've given coverages a 5 out of 5. And that's simply because the Tri-Foam had an excellent coverage. I will not count the shield because it was on for a second and then it got rinsed off. And of course I will not count the pre-soak because you don't get a pre-soak for the soft touch wash. So the number could go down when I come back here and do the touchless wash in the future. But what I know, the Tri-Foam was working really well. Overall, I will rate this wash a 17 out of 20. The wash did a wonderful job, but the only complaint was the dryers. This wash is surprisingly in great shape. Even though this wash is older, it still does a great job. But they definitely need to improve the dryers. This also used to be a laser wash for VII, which I unfortunately can't compare since I haven't been through the full VII. But I have a feeling that they will replace this wash and they will put in a Bradford Condor KL2. Hopefully I can do the touchless wash before they replace it. But it could be a while. I want to film the Canadian tire so that way I can do a proper car wash review on it. And then next time I will come back and do the touchless wash here. That way I can do a full review on these two washes and see which is better. So yeah, please stay tuned for that video coming up in the future. I haven't filmed it yet since I only got in one car wash here. But before I end this video, I have a question for you. Shell's been ripping up their Mark 7 machines and putting in Bellinger systems. Do you think that they should replace them? Please let me know in the comments below. But overall for this wash, it's a wonderful car wash to check out in the Bradford area. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in the next car wash review. Peace out, folks. Hey! Please remember to subscribe to my channel for more epic videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual.